Hello everybody, welcome to my class today. In my last class, I was solving problems on property 3. Let us solve some more problems on property 3. So properties, question number 6 is minus 1 to 2 mod of x cube minus x dx. So first we have to investigate the sign of the polynomial x cube minus x. We have x cube minus x, that is x into x square minus 1, that is x into x plus 1 into x minus 1. Let us do the wavy curve rule. The zeros are minus 1, 0 and 1. If you put more than one value, you get positive. So your curve will be in this way. Okay. Now look, the function x cube minus x is negative in minus infinity to minus 1 in 0 to 1, and positive is in minus 1 to 0 and then 1 to infinity. But our concern interval is minus 1 to 2. Minus 1 to 2. So you have to study in this portion only. Okay. So let us break it in this way. Minus 1 to 0 mod of x cube minus x dx, then 0 to 1 x cube minus x dx, and then 1 to 2 mod of x cube minus x dx. Now look, in minus 1 to 0 this is positive, so you will get minus 1 to 0 x cube minus x dx plus 0 to 1 this is negative, so this will be x minus x cube dx, and in 1 to 2 it is positive, so you get 1 to 2 x cube minus x dx. Now just integrate. You get 1 by 4 x to the power 4 minus x square by 2 minus 1 to 0. You get x square by 2 minus x to the power 4 by 4, 0 to 1. And then you get x to the power 4 by 4 minus x square by 2, 1 to 2. Put 0 first, you get 0, then minus you get minus 1 by 4 minus half, plus if you put 1 here, you get half minus 1 by 4, and you get, if you put 0, then you get 0. And then if you put 2 here, 2 to the power 4 is 16 by 4, 4, 2 square 4 by 2 is 2, then 1, so 1 by 4 minus half. So now you have minus 1 by 4 plus half minus 1 by 4. 4 minus 2 is 2, and this is minus 1 by 4 plus half. Look, there are 3 minus 1 by 4, that is minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4, then half, so plus 3 by 2, and then plus 2. So your result is 2 to the 4, 6, and 3 by 4 plus 2. 3 by 4 plus 2, that is 2.75. Okay. This was our problem number 6. Next. Let us go to the next problem. I wish that you can realize the problems, how I am solving this. Next, let us go to the problem. Our last problem number was 7. No, 7 no. 6. Now we will do the 7th problem. Our 7th problem is integration 1 by e to e mod mod of ln x dx. Okay, let us draw the graph of ln x. This is one. Graph of ln x is in this way. Okay. Now look, this is 1. 1 by e is less than 1. So less than 1 to 1, this portion is negative. And when it crosses 1, then it is positive. So we have to split it in this way. 1 by e to 1 mod of ln x dx. Then 1 to e mod of ln x dx. 1 by e suppose here, so 1 by e to 1 is negative, so your integral will be 1 by e to 1 ln x dx, and then 1 to e, this is positive, so this will be simple ln x dx. Now we have to do the integral ln x dx. This is an by parts integration, so let us consider the indefinite integral integration ln x dx. So here 1 is our first ln x is our first function. So ln x integration 1 dx minus integration d dx of ln x integration dx second bracket close dx. Next, this is x. So x ln x minus integration d dx of ln x is 1 by x, integration of dx is x, then dx. So you get x ln x minus, this is 1 dx, that is x plus c. So finally you can write it as x into ln x minus 1 plus c. So if you consider the original integral as I, so you can write I equals to minus 1 by e to 1 ln x dx plus 1 to e ln x dx minus integration ln x dx is this x into ln x minus 1, x into ln x minus 1, intervals are 1 by e to 1 plus same thing x into ln x minus 1, this is 1 to e minus, put 1 first, 1 ln 1 is 0, 0 minus 1, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, again ln 1 is 0, this is minus 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, then minus, if you put 1 by e, ln of 1 by e is minus 1, again minus 1, okay, this is completed, then plus, if you put e here, ln e is 1, 1, 1, 0, minus if you put 1 here, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So finally you get, this is plus 1, minus 2 by e plus 1. That is 2 minus 2 by e. That is 2 into 1 minus 1 by e. This is your answer. Okay. Next, let us do one box function problem. Integration 0 to 3 box x. This is actually called greatest integer function. We commonly call it box function. So let us define it first. Box x is how much when x greater equals 0 less than 1. This is 0. This is 1 when x greater equals to 1 less than 2. This is 2 when x greater equal to 2 less than 3. Okay. So now split it as 0 to 1. This is 0 dx. 1 to 2, 1 dx. Then 2 to 3, 2 dx. This portion vanishes. This is x 1 to 2 plus 2 into x 2 to 3. So you get 2 minus 1 1, 2 into 3 minus 2, that is 2. So your answer is 3. Next, do one more problems on box function. Number 9. Integration 0 to 2 box of x squared dx. Now this is not box x, this is box of x square. So you have to study x square also. Look here, x belongs to close 0 to, that is x greater equals 0 less equals to, that is x square is greater equals 0 less than 4. So between 0 and 4 there are 3 integers, 1, 2, 3. So you have to study it breaking in these 3 points. Okay. You have to split it as 0 to 1 box of x square dx, then 1 to root 2, because when x square lies between 1 and 2, then x lies between 1 and root 2. So 1 and root 2 box of x square dx plus then root 2 to root 3 box of x square dx, then root 3 to 2 box of x square dx. Now when 0 to 1, this is 0, so vanishes, plus when 1 to root 2, then x square is 1 to 2, so this will be 1, that is 1 to root 2 1 dx, then root 2 to root 3, this will be 2 dx, and then root 3 to 2, this will be 3 dx. Now just solve it. This is x, so this will be root 2 minus 1, this is 2x, 2 into root 3 minus root 2, this is 3x, so 3 into 2 minus root 3. So solving we get 3 to the 6 minus 1, that is 5, and then this is minus 2 root 2, minus 2 root 2 plus root 2, that is minus root 2, then 2 root 3 minus 3 root 3, that is minus root 3. So 5 minus root 2 minus root 3. This is your answer. Okay. Let us do another box function problem before ending this video. It is not possible for anyone to solve all problems, because there are lakhs and crores of problems on this topic. So I can do some problems as a sample. Next, I am solving 0 to 1.5 box x square dx. Again, you have x in the interval 1.5 is 3 by 2. So x square lies between 9 by 4. 9 by 4, that is 2.25. So there are 1 to 2 integers between them. So we have to split in this way. 0 to 1 box x square dx, then 1 to 2 means root 2, 1 to root 2 box x square dx, and then 1 2 and then root 2 to 1.5 box x square dx. This is 0. This is integration 1 to root 2 1 dx. This is root 2 to 1.5 2 dx. This will be root 2 minus 1. This will be 2 into 1.5 minus root 2. 2 into 1.5 3. 3 minus 1 2. 3 minus 1 2. Root 2 minus 2 root 2. That is root 2. 2 minus root 2. Your answer will be 2 minus root 2. 2 minus root 2. This is your answer. Okay. So let us end problems on property 3 here. You have to do the rest of the problems. If you feel any difficulty, then forward it in my WhatsApp number. Hope you can do all the problems rest. In my next video, I will come with problems on property 4. That is also very important topic. Okay. Till then, goodbye.